What's up?
Look.
What's up? What's
Oh,
up?
you dropping the
What's
video?
up? What's up? Hey guys, I'm gonna do a little mukbang real quick. It is what it is. But alright, go ahead, what you say? I need some chicken strips and coleslaw. I usually don't eat the coleslaw. But go ahead.
And Mama Jab is it?
Oh, Mama Jab's over here eating too. I'm about to ask, can I have some of your food? Let's get into this bite.
Okay.
Look kind of crazy.
And baby Jab loved his walker.
Yeah, I ain't accepted nothing.
Yes, baby Jab loved his walker, that he had a good time.
Oh yeah, it's cute. It's cute. Cute. They know they wrong for these chicken strips, so they gave me like little bitty pieces.
Yeah, then if you ate a little bit, it was like suddenly got bite size. One day we went,
Yeah, you can give her the new number.
I don't even know myself.
Honey, look, it's just like you don't mix business with pleasure. I support. She said the prayer so fast, y'all.
I did. I said the prayer. I said the prayer, but she jumped up and ran that way.
I asked for some straws and then. I hope y'all having a great day.
My mom Jab would give you a straw, but we have no idea what it is.
I think 2 straws. I stopped in the middle because you started praying. I was like, he's asleep. You can't even come in and go to sleep.
Me. I can't rightfully say so. I'm going to take this piece out. We don't need that. So which piece you want?
I don't want a big piece. I just want. I don't want the wing.
Well, the breast is a breast. Like a strip. It's a breast.
Yeah. Where you been at?
Well, that's a breast and a wing. Strip is a breast. So a breast.
No, I just want like a taste of it. That's it.
Oh. Here, take a piece.
That's a whole piece here. Not what I wanted. Yeah, I'm hungry.
She's addicted to strips.
Yeah, see. I came over here to feed my baby. He went to sleep. He's asleep. So now, mothers, y'all know, like encouraged. Mm.
We don't know what the dog's eating.
Drinking water. Got some bones. Yeah. How long you stay in that thing?
A good one.
Then you took him out, just took him out just because of
He started fussing and then I took him out. And he ate and went to sleep. And got up, played, ate, went to sleep. Watched the video.
Oh, yeah, I haven't watched my video. So what you doing now? Go watch my other video.
Baby Jab has already seen it.
Yeah.
And he liked it.
My baby watches my videos.
And he taps the like button.
There you go. Take it off.
Thank you.
I had a 4-piece tender. Ooh, the biscuits lately have been pussing. Yes. If I could, I'd eat this every day. They get pricey.
But their biscuits are pretty good.
Lately they have been good. Like, not too dry or burnt.
I think he's up. Because I saw him, he's driving.
Who's driving?
Jump. This game. Well. What?
Yeah. What do you say, what?
The brother's up. I think he's up. He could be driving.
My other brother Jav gonna do a challenge. Probably. It might be our next video. It's him right here. I asked Shay, how much what's the name said she gonna charge for that haircut?
I thought you were dropping the video.
Not recording.
You are recording. Why you gonna ask put somebody else's name in there?
I don't know who Shay is. Yeah.
Oh.
I know about 5 Shays. How much is how much she said she would do it? Come on, her.
I didn't ask them. I mean, that wasn't. They said they would do it. They could do it, but they didn't give me a number. Because some people said they can do your hair in different styles for different amounts. That's an important part to give a person how much they charge.
I know. And then people think it's rude when you ask for the price. Yeah, shit. Wednesday at 10:30, she could take me in. Shape, I was like, it's pushing it. Last time I got the hairstyle, took, 6 hours? 2 hours to run. And went straight to Tuta.
Well, I shared with the dog.
You was, that's why she not.
No, she used to gristle. That is sharing. But
Yeah, I took my twist out. I might show y'all how to do my hair another time, another style. Yo, don't be sleeping on them as seen on TV. Don't sleep on them products. Because my hair went from the way it looked in the videos to this. Nice. Within 30 minutes.
let in. Over there. I see when you tell the dog lay down, they lay down right on your lap.
Excuse me. You got some honey?
I do. Oh, I have 800 packet. But I'd have some raw honey up in the cabinet right there.
Raw honey.
Raw honey's good for you. If you ever want something sweet, raw honey is good for you. Any honey is good for you because it's natural.
I have these little, what they call? Blockflockers?
Blocker flour.
What? Baklava.
Baklava.
I can't. Baklava.
Bak.
I can't. I have to be reading the word. You know what it says? Baklava. Baklava. Oh, he's up. The bird.
The babysitter has let us know the baby is up.
Thank you, Gigi.
Yep.
Yeah. All right, y'all. I'm about to end this video. Go get my baby. He slept out probably 15 minutes. So,
Yeah, no, yeah, that's 15 minutes. 1 to 1:15.
was that the real?
No.
Look at my hair. Look like all over the place. I ain't do nothing to my hair. All right. Peace out. Hope y'all have an amazing day. Have an amazing day. I love y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Hit the notification bell so y'all can be notified every time I post a video. I'm sorry, you guys. Y'all know I like that stuff raw and uncut. But, alright, y'all. Peace out. Girl Scouts and Boy Scouts. And hope y'all have a great day.